I ain't wasting your time.
You are wasting my time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Season 4, Episode 10. I might be taking a small break after this, only because I'm waiting for more footage to come in. I've had several requests in, and we're getting it almost a month now, and they haven't come in. So bear with me on that. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up as you're watching it. It helps push it out to other people so they can see this kinds of content. If you want to help support the channel, I have my Venmo link in the show notes down below, and links for all of my other social media. Now, this video clip is what we call just a keep the peace. We have to come and just try to quell the situation of what this guy had called in, wanting to kick somebody out who lives there. You'll see here in a little bit. I've been to this house numerous times, and yes, this video is a little bit older because there are Christmas lights up. How are we doing tonight?
Good, thank you. There's my daughter probably calling him.
You called?
I want her removed from my premises.
Who?
He did this my ex-wife.
Okay. Her? Alright. Has he asked you to leave?
Yes, a dozen times.
Where's my daughter?
And I asked her to drive
speak to the man.
What?
The officer.
What's going on?
You already knew.
Moxnick.
Talk to the officer. Look, she's coming.
No.
Down. She's coming down.
He talks to me.
Okay.
Look. No. Lord, stop.
Does she live here right now? Has she been living here?
Yes, I have a
Big
room in
explanation.
there.
It's like a...
And where?
I called,
my ex-husband.
I called y'all before
Yeah, and everything
to
was
have
cool.
her removed from my
Every
premises.
time he
What did we
drank.
tell you last time?
They took her away.
No, they didn't.
I
Sir.
find that hard to believe.
No, they didn't.
Why?
Sir. It's on record.
Okay. Because I've been to this house multiple times
Thank
before,
you.
and you always call us and just want us to take people away
Right.
that live here.
Exactly.
And they tell you the same
He needs
thing
to get
every
that
time,
through his head.
that you can't do that.
You are going to get put in jail.
I can do
You're
what I
calling
want
people
to.
for no reason.
I own the house.
It doesn't matter. If she lives here, if she has a room here, she has
She
what's
does
called...
not live here.
Leave her alone. She's not bothering anybody. You're just drunk and you want to cause problems and you're lonely and drunk.
None of us are.
You can't just call the
bothering
police because you
anybody.
feel like it. This is bullshit. Go to bed.
I just want her away from me.
Okay. Well, why don't you go inside then?
Yeah, nobody's doing anything to you.
Right? You're a grown man. You can walk. You got 2 legs. If she's in an area that you don't want to be around her, you could remove yourself from the situation, right?
I can too,
Depends.
sir, but doesn't he bother me in the bedroom?
Okay.
I'm
No.
not arguing.
Mom,
She
go to
fell
bed.
down and broke her neck and shit.
Okay.
I'm tired of putting up with it.
That's
Okay.
a long...
That's not the police's problem, sir. I've told you the other times I've been out here.
Thank you.
Code 4. If somebody lives here, if they've been staying here, they have what's called residency. They cannot
I'm
just
letting
be...
her stay here because she's my ex-wife.
Okay.
Hope he
Well,
does.
so when you made that arrangement, she
We
gained...
didn't make no arrangements.
By the fact that you let her stay here, okay? The fact that you let her stay here, and she has been staying here, which is documented.
How do you know it's
She
documented?
gained, because I've been
My
here before,
Insurance too.
okay?
Shut up.
She has gained residency. So there are only 2 ways. Listen, just I see you want to say something, but just be quiet for a second. There are only 2 ways to get her out of this house. On her own free will, she packs up all of her belongings and leaves on her own is option number 1. At that point, you could change the locks and you do not have to allow her back into the home. That does not mean you pack up her stuff and set it out on the front porch. It doesn't work like that. She has to willingly move out on her own, okay? Option number 2, you go down to the courts. You fill out the paperwork and you pay the fee to start the eviction process. It takes roughly 30 days.
It takes 30 days.
Okay, that's fine. So start it now. So 29 days from now, she'll be out of here. Because if you
Can
wait till
write
tomorrow,
this down?
no.
No, you don't need it written
Then the
down.
holiday.
That's not my job. It's been
Leave it
explained to you
alone.
numerous
I
times.
leave when-
Okay? So you start the
I
eviction
got
process,
outpatient.
and then in 30 days, the sheriff's office will come out here, will serve her with that paperwork, and then she will be forced to leave at that time
No, sir.
if she doesn't. Okay?
Question.
Those are your two options.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
now, I was staying upstairs with my daughter before this happened.
Uh-huh.
Now, I put myself with the insurance down here
Okay.
and pick up for my surgery and outpatient.
Yep.
Now, if I would go upstairs, I'm still on the property if I were willing to
So
leave
what?
out of that bedroom.
Right.
Asking a question.
Yeah, so I know this place is divided into two halves.
Yes.
Okay? So if you moved out of his side and moved into your daughter's side, she was willing to take you in and you started living up there, then we'd honestly be back to about the same position because at the end of the day, he does still own the house.
No,
Okay?
I own the house.
I
Okay.
said that.
I
Relax.
caught you, sir.
All right? So he owns the house. So like let's say he still had a bug up his butt
Yeah.
that he didn't want you here on the property, he
Alright.
could still file the eviction paperwork to have you removed even
I
though you're
know.
living next door.
Yes, I
All right?
understand.
But at the end of the main thing I want to get across, which I have said to you the other times I've been here, you cannot just kick somebody out. You cannot just call us to kick somebody out. Okay? You need to stop wasting
How many
police
times
resources.
I told you that
You're wasting.
it's okay.
Precious
I ain't
time.
wasting your time.
You are wasting my time because I'm here telling you the same thing I've had to tell you in the past. You should have never called us tonight, sir. You should have never picked up the phone and called us to ask us to do something that we have already told you numerous times we cannot do. That has not changed. That's the law. It will never change. Your two options. She leaves on her own or you evict her. End of story. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Do you understand me?
Go to bed.
I ain't speaking to nobody until I talk to my attorney.
Oh my God.
Knock yourself out. You guys have a great night. You call us again, you go to jail.
That's what Laura said.
Get that fucking...
You know what? You need
Now,
to take your
don't
ass
put
in the
that in
house.
my eyes like
You're
I'm
an
a
asshole.
dummy.
You think you're something and you're not. Go in the house.
Thank you.
Just because you're an old man doesn't mean they're going to come over here and baby you. Take your ass in the house. You're wasting the fucking time. And I told you this.
Well, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Nothing like a little family drama around the holidays. All right, guys, that's where I'm going to wrap this one up. I know it was a little bit of a shorter video. Like I said, I'm trying to stretch out the footage that I have to get you guys some stuff weekly still. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is that what it's like at your house around Christmas time? I know we all have our family drama, so tell me the best family drama story you have. Leave it in the comments below. I'll be getting some more footage here soon, and I will upload as soon as I get it. So until that next video, I want you guys to take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.